the 11th of January, 2024. Huel review: is this meal replacement shake healthy? Huel is a brand of meal replacement products that are marketed as nutritionally complete food, which means that each product contains the essential macro and micronutrients you need for a complete meal. However, we can't assume that a product is healthy just because the formula contains the essentials of what's needed for a Huel review. Is this meal replacement shake healthy? The post-Huel review. Is this meal replacement shake healthy? Appeared first on the Dermatology review.